So, the window is in. I kidded. Yeah, I didn't film it because I have not so much time. And the problem is, yeah, it is cloudy outside, if you know what I mean. I have used special kit, window kit. So yeah, now I must wait that it is dry. Takes 3 hours or 24 hours where it is 100% hardened. So and then I can fix this. So I can put this on the inside, but it's not so beautiful. I don't know if maybe I kid it or do something else. No, I will see. Now, this is done. The shower working great. Yeah, I must clean it up now here. So, now we are almost ready. Must paint it again. And then we are almost done to put our stuff in. So, yeah, it's gonna be fine. So, done the finishing touch. Window is in. It was much work, but okay. Now, we must do a few things so we can do our stuff in it. Gonna clean up this one so my wife can clean it and put stuff in it. Here's already stuff in it. Not so much, but okay. Yeah. Yeah, I must cut it out, but okay. Now we have also this light is red. Why I choose red? I done many times. We are driving, and if you have in the dark and you have much light, then when they put on the light, then you have a problem. You see, for a few seconds you see nothing. I close this one for temporary, so I don't paint it, but it's only for temporary, because when the small one is in here and you want to get out, because here I put a heck, so she cannot go inside here, so she can walk from there to us. But then she's falling there. I'm gonna close up that side too, so she cannot touch anything, because she's experimenting with touching everything. Now, I hope today my heater comes in. So, yeah, I'm still figuring out where to put it, because, yeah, I have not so many room anymore. It is 1 meter too short. Otherwise you are too long. And that meter, I need it to fix everything, but okay, yeah, shit happens. But okay, now, I think I drill in the middle there a hole, so the warm air can blow into here, and then later on I figure out how to do it, but not here in Holland anymore, because here is everything so stupid expensive. Normally for that piece of wood, 122 by 244 is normally 30 euros. Now 71 euros for the same wood, the same plate. So I stopped it, you know what I mean? If you want to have something on the floor, I order it, but it goes via land and you don't know how long it takes. 60 days before it reaching us. 60 days. So I go tomorrow to get some vinyl or something to put it on so we can walk here. The small one is doing every time the shoes out and the socks out. So, and yeah, you have now splinters here and I don't want to do it for her. So tomorrow I get some vinyl and then put it in. When the heater is in, that one is heating up here, 24 degrees now. Only that one, so it is very good isolated. Double glass, only in the, it's raining again. Only in the shower it is one glass, not double. They told me it is double, but it's not. So they fucked it around again. But okay, yeah. You cannot trust anybody anymore. But okay, people, I'm gonna clean this up. You don't see so many videos now because, not everybody wants to see that it get built. So that's why I ask you, if you want to see more buildings, let me know so I take more videos. I do know this, all of it. And when this is finished, my wife can put stuff in here. And then I'm going to the front, the steering house, the cabin, and fix there everything. Radio goes in, the CB goes in, channel 18. So if you want to follow us on the CB, also, then channel 18. And you know our name, Mighty 8WD. 8-wheel drive. Then we go and live to here. Then putting the freezer in, the cooling trunk, and then bring everything to here. So, but much stuff must be fitted also for the water and that kind. The container I have it, but I need. Tomorrow I also buy iron so I can weld a structure so the tank can go in and we have our black water tank, you know? But okay. Yes, now this is not so much now, I'm sorry. But we are almost ready to get in. Almost. But we will see. Everything gonna be fine. So, gonna change my lights. Must go here. And there. And then this one must go here somewhere. But I need something else because it is aluminium. Everything is iron, only that is aluminium. So when that is done, I can do the new cable in. And then I'm finished for now here, not ready, but I need to put some lights on it, above lights, But we're gonna get freezing again, so I cannot do it now. We shall see. Must be for January. We have days enough. No problem. Everything gonna be fine. Good day, people. Yes, what I'm doing now is rewiring some things for the cameras. It's working. They are working. I'm gonna set switches here. Yeah, one switch and there one switch for the two cameras. And I do an inverter there from 24 volts to 12 volts. So I have 12 volt here. And that's for the cigarette sockets. So for that one, I know it is for 24 volts also, but I don't take any risks. So I'm gonna do inverter DC to DC from 24 volts to 12 volts and put it here somewhere. But okay, now I cannot read Germans. So yeah, that's the problem. What I have here, I can read English, I can read Dutch because I am Dutch. I only can talk German, but I cannot read it. But okay, translating. So, gonna figure it out where to put it. And also for the heater, I cannot get it out now because they bring stuff, so I can, try to fix it. If they don't bring it, I rip it out and make a small plate. And then, we see what we do there. Yeah. This is now for the steering house because I want to have the cameras on board. So I can see what's happened behind me when I go short corners, because this is very small here. So I must make around 8 or 10 times going forward, going back, going forward. So I cannot take this corner in one time, because the heck is 30 centimeters too far on the road, so I must go around it, and I cannot do around it because the other one is the neighbor and I don't want to hit his poles, because there are animals there and they can get out. So, but okay, now I'm now in the steering house, all the boxes here, all the thing for the cameras. So these are gonna get out because we don't need it. Why? You can sit and you can hold on. So that's going out. I make a small plate so we can do the coffee machine on it, that kind of stuff. Here on Bath, I don't know what to do with. I think my my radio is going here. We shall see. I have time enough to do. So that is the camera. I have another camera, so I use 2 dashboard cams because they did it once. I don't step 2 times in the same track, brake test and then say you're too short on me, and you know what I mean. So that's why I have the camera. Now, it's not so many movies now, I'm sorry. Because nobody says what they want to see, so. But okay, no problem. Für die deutschen Freunde, bitte, als das kann sagen, was das steht, bitte. Aber dann in Englisch. Ich kann kein Deutsch lesen, allein sprechen und hören. Aber okay. So people, I say to the German friends, if they know what is here, standing. Yeah. Oh, I make it good. Yeah, I do. If they can read this and tell me what it says, please do also the numbers with it. So if you say 227 is, ja, kan ik niet zien. Cannot read it, sorry. 208, 208. 13, licht, links. Ah. Das kann ich ja sehen. Rechts. Oh, das sind ja die... Das sind doch nicht die Knippelichten. Ja, ich weiß echt nicht, was das geht. So viele Mal geprobeerd. Ja, ich kann nicht alles haben, hè? You cannot have everything, you know? Okay, now I'm gonna do the switches in, I drill them in, and then I'm going something to eat. It's now Sunday, and it is freezing, but okay, it's Holland. Yeah, and here I have also things, I don't know what it says. No, I really don't know what it says, you know. I know this switch is for the if you want to pull something, then you have power on socket. Yeah, and I also don't know. Yeah, I know the buff 2 is for spare. Yeah, the other ones. Oh yes, this one I also use, this the wiper. But I don't know what the other ones are. Yeah. If somebody has the time to say it to me, what it is and what it stands for. I think this one is all temp. I think it's oil. The other one also. Oh. Yeah. No, I don't know. Only that yellow one I know. Yeah, come on. The above one. That's for your automatic. The other ones, yeah, I really don't know. But okay, maybe you can help me. Thank you very much. Nou, this one is done. Hoef niet op te nemen. Don't record. So, now it's done, yeah. I can do nothing else because, yeah, I have not enough space. I must here make some wood. So we can set the coffee machine on it. A socket, come here. 220. So, but the camera's working now, and yeah, that's one, that's two, and that's out. So otherwise I could not touch this. And behind this, I have no room. That's for the heater, for the window heater. So I cannot do anything here, because then my window is not going to clean when it is foggy. But okay, now this is done. So a very bad night. The little one was a little bit sick, so every time she was awake, and she wake up us. Now I gotta fix this, put it away. Not long, I need two. You see two hanging there. One camera is coming inside, filming inside, so we can see if we drive if nothing happened, gonna happen or happening. And the other one goes in the front, so I can see the front of the front. I have 2 cameras left, so, and yeah, then I must search how to get the cables in. I don't know, but okay, no problem, we're gonna fix it as always. So now the heater is in, it's fixed. Only I must tie with more cables, so those are loose. Those cables are also coming here to the door and the measurements of the batteries. So only that one I have fixed, so we can the stresses of the cable. Now there it is. So difficult work. Now you see there, I must do the vacuum cleaner in it and tape everything off. Now there's the heater, also fit in. So tomorrow I do diesel in it. You can see it, I think there it is in the corner. Yeah, I do a pile with it so you can see it. Because I have now no light, I think. Wait a minute. Oh, you see there? Already kitted. It is in. I must let it dry, but it is now freezing. Tonight it's gonna -6. So very cold. Oh yeah. The heater is on. Oh. It was 5 degrees a half hour back, and now it is 41.2 degrees. And they are flying here. Oh, crazy, they are flying many times around here. I think the other one. Oh yeah, you can see it there. So they fly like crazy, I don't know why, but so now the wash is done, dryer is done. I don't know if you can see it. No, it is done. So this one is also working good. The heater is in, and tomorrow we can test it. When it's working, we can go in here. Then I do the batteries in it, the inverter, so that battery can go out, go to the other one, so they have 12 volt. Here below you get a 64 cells, LiFePO 4 batteries, powering the inverter. Next to it you have the 3 solar panel inverters, the MPPTs, and you see a small normal place for the wood. I must do a small wood there, and there's all the fuses and that kind of stuff. Or I do the MPPTs there, and on the other side I do all the fuses, but I don't know, we will see. I want to do it easy so I can do everything easier. Or I do it on that wall, it's also possible. All the fuses are there, but okay. It is late. Yeah, late. It is 4 o'clock. Oh no, 5:30. So 4:30. 1630. So must be 5 o'clock. Okay. Yes, now I see my wife is doing the fries in it, so I going home to the other camper, and then yeah, we will see. Not so many videos, I'm sorry, but yeah, I don't hear from anybody. They want to see more building videos, so I keep it doing like now, every 2 weeks. And if you want only the building is after 2 weeks, you see one video. But if we are driving, you see every Sunday or Saturday evening, you get a new video. Yeah, I'm a little bit but it's freezing. It's now -4. Yeah, I want to have a white Christmas, but yeah, it's a radio with a television for in the steering house, the cabin. Radio is in it. Yeah, many things what we can use in the steering house. So in the cabin, so the little one can also see a little bit the television. Otherwise, she only sitting and driving. Yeah, she don't want it, but okay. Now, the cables are done. I'm going to eat now. So, the heater is in. It's on. We're gonna test it now. We must wait. I don't know how long, but when the pump is kicking in. Kick in, come on. Yes. I hear him. Yes. He's booting up. Can you hear him? Growling? Yeah, that's my cigar. Come on, start up. Yes. He's working. I have now the cover off because I want to see. Ooh. Nice. It's looking good. It is -4. It was not so hot here. Yeah, 15 degrees. But you're booting up now, so we must wait. Yeah. It is hot. Yes. Nice. That's working. Hmm. 108 Celsius. $90 degrees. Yeah. That's the temperature of the heater. The fire in it. It's booting up, so leave it here. Yeah, you hear him now going faster. Now 5 minutes on. Ah. Yeah, it's freezing outside. It's windy and freezing. Ice cold. Feeling temperature -10. So that's the feeling temperature. Okay, now it's good here. I'm gonna see the boiler. It's booting up. Yeah, it's working great. But I set it off, so now I'm gonna clean up this, clean up here, get the mattress in so it can fill itself up, and then we move our stuff here, television, video recorder and that kind of stuff. And then yeah, we're gonna live here. Water is working again. And the other camper is frozen. Because yeah, the tank is outside and it's -6. So it freezes. But okay. This is ice. So cold is it there in the sun. Yeah, you see that also here. So it's cold. Okay. Have a nice day. So people, so see, we are moving in. The first time we're gonna use this one, so I hope it is working. As well, they told us, but we're gonna see. So the dryer is spinning, and I'm now making the curve, or how do you call it, for the windows. Okay. Yeah, it's coming, my honey. So the first time, yes, we're using this machine. So it's working.